So what is the importance of transfer agreements and why do we want them? Apparently, we want them because we secure the rights of, as we said before, the provider and the recipient. We resolve several intellectual property issues. We discuss about the terms, about the negotiation phase and the duration of the agreement. But there is also a critique that has been exercised in the literature and in practice that MTAs and DTAs sometimes are too complex, and as a procedure, it's a bureaucratic burden for research. So in March 1995, some decades ago, NIH put in place a simplified MTA system for sharing non-proprietary materials, and that is the UBMTA, the Uniform Biological Materials Transfer Agreement. And it was advised, for the researchers to follow that. Something like that we can see in companies who actually give for non-profit or academic institutions cell lines, like for example at Gene. And I have included in this presentation the website where there is an implementing letter and a standard MTA where no negotiation can be made. The researcher who wants the compound, who wants a cell line, they just go inside the system, they read the implementing letter and they sign the MTA to take it or leave it agreement. No negotiation phase, nothing to be changed. So this is also another form of MTA, and it is to be chosen each time what we need to, as in all the agreements, what we need to choose to best protect our interests. So when it comes to a patent, when it comes to a negotiation with a pharmaceutical or biotech company, or an institution or a university who has filed a patent or already protected through a patent its intellectual property, then it is advisable to have an MTA, no matter how far complex and bureaucratic this may sound. Negotiation is substantial to be done. In practice, we can see that through a very interesting paper published by et al., which is titled Use and Misuse of MTAs, Lessons in Proportionality from Research, Repositories and Litigation. Back in 2015, they made a research. The main question is, okay, so we have MTAs, they are quite bureaucratic, we have tried different routes. So what is the result as far as litigation is concerned? Do we have people taking into courts researchers for not using MTAs? Do we have litigation generated by breaches of MTAs? And the answer was that only 23 cases on a European level actually flew into the courts. So this is it's a rather small number, we would say.